Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to add music to video in Canva. So if you want to add music to video or any audio to video in Canva, first of all you have to select, you have to log in into canva.com, and here you will see two options. Okay, video and mobile video, so choose whichever video you want to make. So I want to make like this video. Now you can select, many templates are given, you can select any one of them. Some of are free and some of them are paid, so you can just select this paid one, and here you can, okay, like this. Now you can see that this is the video. Now if you want to add uh, if you want to add some audio, so what you have to do, here you will see you can upload audios from here. You can take this one, from here you can add here to video, and you can also click on apps, and here you have to search for music. Okay, and here you will see many music options. Now just click on explore. Here you will get many options, happy cartoon, background music. Okay, so happy cartoon like this. Okay, now wait for a few seconds, okay, and it will uploaded here. Now you can listen it. You can delete from here also. So like this you can select it, and you can also upload your own audio here from here, and you can also click on share and download it. So like this you can add music to video in Canva. So if you like this video, please like my video, subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.